Hello students, welcome back to my channel, that is Study with Prabin Sir. Today we will discuss some more questions on chapter Ratio and Proportion. These questions are frequently coming in your exams such as CGL, CHSL, MTS, CPO and GD of SSC. So let's get started. Question number 40. Students, as you know that previously we have discussed 39 questions. So today we will discuss question number 40. The ratio of the number of boys and that of girls in a school having 504 students is 13:11. What will be the new ratio if 3 more girls are admitted? Now here first we have to find the number of boys and number of girls. So number of boys is equal to 13 divided by the total is 13 plus 11, so that is 24. So 13 by 24 into 504. So that is equal to 24 2s are 48, 24 1s are 24. So it is 273. After multiplication, so 13 into 21, that is 273. Now number of girls. Now number of girls is equal to 11 by 24 into 504. So 24 2s are 48, 24 1s are 24. So 11 into 21. So it is 231. Now 3 more girls are admitted. So now new number of girls is equal to that is 231 plus 3. So that is equal to 234. Now we have to find out here the ratios. So boys is to girls. Now boys is to girls. That is equal to 273 is to 234. Now here when 273 is divided by 3, it becomes 91, and when 234 is divided by 3, it becomes 78. Now again when 91 is divided by 13, so it becomes 7, and when 78 is divided by 13, it becomes 6. So the ratio is 7:6. That means your option 1 is the right answer. Now next, that is question number 41. the students in 3 classes are in the ratio 2:3:5. If 20 students are increased in each class, the ratio changes to 4:5:7. Originally, the total number of students was, now here originally the ratio of students in the 3 classes are 2:3:5. And after admitting 20 new students, the ratio becomes 4:5:7. Now listen, here one trick is there. I have to tell that trick. So here in each class 20 students are increased, and here the ratio is also, here it is 2, then after 20 students it is 4, here it is 3, then after 20 new students it is 5, and here it is 5, and after 20 new students it is 7. That means here the increase is 2 in each class. Here the increase part is 2, so that means 2x is equal to 20. Now this implies x is equal to 20 by 2, so that is equal to 10. Here I have to find out the total number of students in all classes. That means here it is 2x plus 3x plus 5x, so that is equal to 10x. And as we know that the value of x is 10, so it is 10 into 10, so that is equal to 100. That means here option 3 is the right answer. Now next, that is question number 42. The ratio of number of boys to that of girls in a group becomes 2:1 when 15 girls leave. Now here suppose boys is x and girls is y. But afterwards when 45 boys also leave, the ratio becomes 1:5. Originally the number of girls in the group was less. Now here x by y minus 15, because 15 girls leave that group. So here it is x divided by y minus 15, so that is equal to 2 by 1. 2:1 means 2 by 1. So this implies x is equal to 2y minus 30. This comes after cross multiplication. Now next equation, but afterwards when 45 boys also leave, now here x minus 45 divided by y minus 15, so that is equal to 1 by 5. So here we are getting two equations. Now one equation is x is equal to 2y minus 30, and after solving this equation we will get here, this implies 5x minus 225 is equal to y minus 15. Now putting the value of x in this equation, we are getting, this implies 5 into 2y minus 30 minus 225 is equal to y minus 15. Now solving this equation, we will get now 10y minus 150 minus 225 is equal to y minus 15. So this implies here 10y minus y is equal to here minus 150 and minus 225 will come to this side, and here both will be positive. Now when 150 is added with 225, it becomes 375 minus 15. So this implies 9y is equal to 360. This implies y is equal to 360 divided by 9, so that is equal to 40. That means here option 3 is the right answer. Now next question, that is question number 43. Two numbers are in the ratio 3:5. If each number is increased by 10, the ratio becomes 5:7. The smaller number is dash. That means we have to find out the smaller number. So two numbers are in the ratio 3:5. And after adding 10 in both the numbers, the ratio becomes 5:7. 5:7. Now look here, originally it was 3, and after adding 10 it becomes 5, and it was originally 5, and after adding 10 it becomes 7. Here both are increased by 2. That means here 2x is equal to 10. This implies x is equal to 10 by 2, so that is equal to 5. Now we have to find out the smaller number. So here 3:5, that means the smaller number is 3x. Smaller number is 3x, so that is equal to 3 into 5, because the value of x is 5, so that is 3 into 5, so that is equal to 15. That means here the smaller number is 15. That means here option 3 is the right answer. So students, if you like this video, then please share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to receive updates on new videos. Thank you.